doing, man?
Welcome to Quest City Customs, bro.
Appreciate it.
Sick ride.
Thank you.
So what are we doing to this beautiful thing?
So, doing a lot of digging, and I want to get her wrapped. Preferably some type of green color.
I think we talked about it a little bit on Instagram.
Yeah.
Inozetek.
Yes.
Right on. Let me see. Sweet. So we're gonna do Inozetek green wrap. You said something about the rim.
Yeah. So I let a buddy borrow the car, and of course, the numb better. It got a little curb rash on it. So these are the OEM wheels, and I didn't have them powder coated. I had them painted black because it was a $100 deal to get a gloss black, which you can't beat that. So it is a little light as far as the paint sticking to the rim itself.
Okay.
It kind of chips off at times.
And then the windshield.
Windshield, yeah, that is a gift from I-10. A piece of angle iron was flying at me, pretty much like Final Destination style, and yeah, it pretty much shattered the windshield. Luckily, it didn't go through though.
Yeah.
But yeah, definitely a scary experience.
Now, do you want to paint match the roof to the color of the car, or do you want to change
So
it?
I was kind of, weighing the options, but I think I'm gonna go with getting that wrapped in gloss black to kind of jive with the gloss black wheels.
I like that. Okay. So gloss black roof, gloss black wheels, green wrap from Inozetek, new windshield.
Correct.
What else do you have in mind?
I did want to ask though, like your opinion, as far as the rear wing, the duckbill.
Okay.
I think I should leave it carbon fiber. It never got PPF, so the clear coat is coming off a bit.
Yeah.
Now I was thinking, since this is more or less not the issue, going ahead and getting this wrapped like halfway from this pretty much line here, the Arid green to match the vehicle, and maybe keeping this carbon fiber.
Oh, this part green.
Yeah, because that's the side pretty much like right here is a rock chip that went through it, and the clear coat's coming off. So unless you're looking, up close, but I was just gonna weigh that option.
I like that idea. You could do that. I think that would be cool. Or if you did both sides green and you just left this little piece carbon fiber. I mean, they're both gonna look cool either way. It's kind of your preference.
Yeah. So maybe on that end, I'll just leave it up to you to kind of, put your experience onto it.
Yeah. I noticed these are chrome from factory. They probably make them in gloss black. If you want to replace them with gloss black ones to kind of match the roof and the wheels, kind of give it that green and black look.
Now, would that be wrapped, or is that a full replacement?
We would just replace the whole thing.
Okay.
So you can keep the factory ones, and we'll just put the black ones, kind of like this M4 that we have.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good, man.
Just a thought.
Yeah.
Antenna is black.
Yeah, I think just to kind of match the roof, that's the best route to go.
Roof rails, you want to do black?
I was gonna actually talk to you about that as well. I'm thinking black though. Everything pretty much roof related. Go ahead and run it black all the way to these side panels.
That's a good idea. That way it makes it look wider.
Yeah, I agree.
And usually some M's that have the carbon fiber roof, they end up doing this black.
Yeah, and it'll go more flush and square with the rear glass as well. So it doesn't look so blocky back here.
Right on. Sick. The PPF, we can wrap over it if you want, but you can kind of see like the outline on the wrap. Or if you don't care, since the wrap is kind of a protection anyways, we can remove the PPF and just wrap it.
I was looking at that,
Yeah.
and I'm thinking about just leaving it on there because once it's wrapped over, it kind of gives it something on the side.
Yeah.
So it's not just maybe so smooth. What do you think? Just take it off? Is it like?
With it being Inozetek, I've learned in the past that when you wrap it, since it's a lot thicker wrap than 3M Ravery, that it kind of gives it that, it's not as prominent, you know what I'm saying? So it looks like a big air bubble.
And is the removal already included in the wrap, installation itself, or is that additional cost?
I'll throw it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right on.
And then if you want to, I can put PPF on top of the wrap that looks like this over the wrap. That way when you do get rock chips, you're not damaging the wrap, you're damaging the PPF.
I think if it's removed, just to leave it, just to kind of match the rest of the vehicle.
Okay.
I think it'll look really sleek.
Just clean.
Because to leave it on, it just oxidized as it is with the white. But I think wrapping it, if I were to take that route, just leave it as is, with it removed.
Okay. Sweet. Anything else?
The other question, of course, was the headlight.
Oh, yes.
What your opinion was on that. So this one was recently replaced. I hit a deer coming down I-10. Luckily, I was going like 20 miles an hour, so that's brand new out of the box. You look at this one. a little more, put more age to it. So once the wrap's complete,
yeah,
of course that's gonna be like the next checkpoint. So I want to get your opinion on that. If I'm able to get the bulbs replaced, or if it's a full replacement.
I'm not sure how the bulbs would be replaced and stuff like that. So, I mean, obviously the easiest answer would be to replace the whole headlight, but it sounds like that's like thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you talk to, whoever you make purchases from, and just kind of give you a price on it.
Okay.
If it's not too bad, you wouldn't take the wrap to get it replaced.
I can do that. Oh, and this too?
Oh yeah, bottom grill. Another gift from I-10. Just some little mini boulder. And yeah, went straight through the grill. Lucky I hit the paint though.
They made a focus on diamonds ass, bro.
And then I just want to advise you, because some clients, we're not wrapping a brand new car.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, the finish might look really clean, but then you see some of these indentions, right? Like that one and this one and these rock chips.
Yeah.
Wrap will kind of emulate those imperfections, so you'll see them through the wrap.
Yeah, that shouldn't be too big of an issue. As of right now, this car's my daily.
Okay.
So, I mean, there's only so much you can do, with that as far as quality goes.
Yeah.
Lately, shopping around for a car wrap, and heard really good things about Clutch City Custom. So, came here, talked to Twan, and we came to a agreement on what color to wrap the car, and it shouldn't take no more than a few days. So, pretty excited about that. But the whole experience, getting contact with him, and making this selection went pretty smooth. So I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like when pickup time comes.
Pretty much what we're going to do to his car is a full makeover. We're going to do a fresh new wrap by Inozetek. We can go over the color later. His windshield is pretty beat up, so we're going to replace the windshield for him with a brand new one. What else? He curved the wheel on one of his wheels. Instead of changing colors to a different color, we're just going to go with the gloss black. So we're going to fix it and repair it and then powder coat it gloss black. And I think that's it. I think when I get the car all finished up, I'm going to see if I can upsell him or recommend him a ceramic coating. Especially with the high gloss finish from Inozetek, it's pretty easy to scratch the car or the wrap if you're not carefully washing it. So once it's ceramic coated, it's going to look really nice, super shiny, won't get all scratched up as easily, and it'll actually last 3 to 5 years instead of 2 to 3 years in Houston, Texas. So thank you guys for watching. I'm super excited to go over this project with you, and enjoy.